Hey everybody, and welcome back to Bar Run Forge. It's Troy and it's another Tools Day, Tuesday morning video. Today we're going to make Kiss Block. Stick around. So your question may be, what is a kiss block? Well, a kiss block is generally used at some of the bigger tools such as the power hammer, treadle hammer, maybe even fly press, and or a hydraulic press. And the purpose of that is to get an exact dimension. Say for example, you want to draw a piece down to, say for this 1/2 inch piece right here. Well, if you've got a piece of 5/8 and you want to draw it down to 1/2 inch and you got to guess, we don't want to guess. For example, we'll take this piece, which is already a 1/2 inch, and then we'll allow the power hammer to smash the hot metal down until we reach this piece here, which is cold. Now, this is mild steel. You can do these with 1045 or any of the hardenable steels. They will last a little bit longer, but if you don't abuse them, the mild steel pieces will work just fine. What we're going to do is we're going to cut this piece the width of the die. And essentially what that does is that gives the whole surface of the hammer eye, or excuse me, the power hammer die to draw out that material and bring that material exactly to 1/2 inch. So we've got 3 pieces. We've got a piece of 3/8 and we have a piece of 3/4. So if you're trying to bring down large stock to 3/4 of an inch, you can do it in every dimension or any dimension that you want. We're going to cut a piece of this off, again, the width of the die. And then we will simply, very simply, weld a handle or attach a handle to it. And then we'll show you exactly what that does. And that allows us to make exact dimensional stock by the piece that we know. For example, on this one, 1/2 inch, that one 3/8, and this one 3/4. So pretty simple process, cutting, welding, and then we'll demonstrate it. All right, we have our 3 pieces cut up. They've been cleaned up a little bit. We're going to forge out a handle for each one of them. Very simple process, and then we'll weld them on. All right, all 3 are done. We have the 3/8, the 1/2 inch, and the 3/4. All 3 are welded up. We got our handles ready to go. So we're going to heat up a piece of steel, and we've used this piece of steel in particular for kind of our test piece. And what I'm going to do is take it over to the power hammer and try each one of these in different styles and formats, see how they work. there you go, KISS blocks. We got 3 of them, and you can do all kinds of them. You can do different sizes of them. You can even do this this setup to do things like flatters, fullers. You can do different size fullers with just round bar essentially. Again, you can do these with hardenable steel, 1045, 4140, S series steel. S series steel might be a good option for this. And they did exactly what we intended for them to do. This is our first go around with KISS blocks and these types of power hammer tools. And it did, I mean, you know, no perfect. We tried to go round with it, and you can do that. It's a good time to make something like a spring fuller, to make tenons, things like that. But when we were doing to the square dimensions, it did fantastic. It did exactly what we asked it to do. And so I'm pretty pleased. I think we'll find a place to hang these up near the power hammer, and we'll be able to use these on a regular basis. But these are called KISS blocks, and we're glad to have them. We're also glad to have you guys here at Bar Run Forge watching all of our videos, either our Tuesday tool videos, any of our Thursday night live streams, or any of the other videos that come along, and even with the farm videos, Bar Run Farm. We're stupid blessed. We're so blessed to have you guys here, and we wish you all the best. God bless you all, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.